Hey y'all, Joe here with Southern Coastal Cooking, coming at you tonight with a huge Southern Coastal secret recipe. I learned this recipe from my buddy Ken. He is a real Southern Coastal guy. I mean, this guy gets out there and catches all kind of fish and game, and I mean, he's a chef too. I mean, he really knows what he's doing. And this guy, I mean, he'll get out there and catch 10-pound catfish or 5-pound before we even start cooking in the morning. I mean, he goes out there, but he showed me this trick, this secret recipe you won't find anywhere else. Southern Coastal secrets here, folks. These are fried shrimp spiders, aka shrimp heads. I'm gonna show y'all something. This is amazing way to make some real good treats out of some Gulf Coast shrimp. Some things a lot of people are throwing in the trash. I'm gonna show y'all. What old Ken told me, I've got about 3 or 4 pounds of beautiful, fresh Gulf, just shot today, Gulf Coast shrimp heads. My nephew Alex shucked these shrimp up, and look at that, beautiful heads right there. And I've got a bowl of ice cold water sitting right here. I'm gonna zoom y'all in just a little bit to show you about this process. And you know, this has got to be done right. This is one very important thing that Ken was telling me about. Get your little bit of cold water running, something like that right there. If y'all can see that. Take your nice large shrimp head, just like this. Y'all can see, reach in here, take what I call pull the hood off, okay? Hold down as much as the meat and stuff that's inside there as you can with your finger, and then just lift that hood, okay? That hood off, right there. All right, so you got your meat, the shrimp head, everything like that. Let that hood come off, and also see that comes off, and usually takes the eyes and so what you're left with is this piece right here. And throw that hood away. You can put in some stock and just wash that off. Wash that off as good as you can. Sorry y'all, it's hard to get this in the frame of the camera. Yeah. Pull any of that old brown stuff off of there. See what you're left with here. You see just some of those, get that really in focus. Camera autofocus there. What you're left with is just this little pallet right there, and that's meat. See those little small legs on there. And put that over there in that ice cold water. All right, and let that soak. I'm gonna keep doing this again. See what I'm doing? I'm just pulling that hood off. See how it takes those eyes and all that big stinger off the front and everything like that. Getting all that junk out there. And just washing that real good. Okay, just take your time doing this. Of course, you can do it a lot faster if you're not trying to film it. Now, see that there? What you're left with is the meat right there. That little meat piece right there. Put that down in the ice cold water. I'm gonna do one more for you guys on camera. I'm gonna zoom you out just a little bit. Remember, pull the hood up on them. Alright. Throw that away. Put it into your stock pot and wash this piece off. Think y'all got that down pat? Alright. That's what you're left with right there. Put that nice cold water. Alright, let me do a few more of these. I'll come back to y'all in the next step. No, I'm telling you, this is going to be amazing. Alright, y'all, so we got them all iced down, this ice water. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour them into a colander in the sink. And we'll let them soak in there. I'll probably let them soak about 15 minutes or so. See how nice and cool, it's real cold. I'm going to take them out. And remember, that's what we're working with. We're not working with the barbs or nothing like that. And we'll lay them on a piece of paper towel tray, kind of like this, or cookie sheet, and just let them kind of dry in the refrigerator, right, while we get everything else ready. But we'll just lay them out, spread them out, and just let them air dry in the fridge or something like that, just while we get everything else ready. All right. This will be so good, y'all. I'm telling you, these shrimp heads. Alright, y'all, so we're out here, we're ready. I got my fry daddy ready, and one thing I learned about it, this Pro Fry, my ready light is broken. This thing's been sitting here for an hour. and taking the temp, and it's good to go about 350, 360 or so. Got the shrimp, look, right here. Been drying on this paper towel, just like that. What I'm gonna do, I got my Batter Pro over here. We'll put these shrimp into this Batter Pro. I might have to come over here and I'll show y'all they do that on this other little platform over here. Kind of push for space tonight. This is just a Cage's injector Batter Pro. I'll put a link to it in the description box. You get one on Amazon, but I put some Louisiana fish batter in there. I have a certain batter that I like to use, but anyway, that's another video. I'm not worried about that. I just wanted to get y'all down with the process. So anyway, I mean, look at that beautiful flaky meat right there. I'm gonna throw some of these in here, and we will batter them up. You know how these Batter Pro things go. If you don't, I'm about to show you. All right, so we'll just put them in there like that. We'll shake them about, and you know, we just want to get them ready to put there in the hot grease. All right, don't get too many. About like that. All right, that should be good. We'll turn this like that. And I tell you what, my brother and I made more mess with things like this. You know, top coming off. But anyway, shaking batter there. Y'all seen these things before, I'm sure. It's the easiest way to do it. You don't have to have one of these contraptions, but man, it sure makes it easier and cleaner for frying, in my opinion. Okay? Because I'm going to show y'all what they're about to look like here. Okay? Look at this. See how clean that was and easy that was? You know, just like that. All got a nice little bit of batter on them. Not too much, not too caked up. That's what we want to see, just like that. Then we'll go over here and put some in the fry basket. So I don't have to use my Yoder as the guinea pig out here tonight. So we'll go ahead and just, where's the thing, or what do you call it, the table. But let's go ahead and just put some of these in the fry basket. I don't want to hold it over the grease when I'm doing something like this, because if you get any kind of loose batter, I don't want it to fall in my grease and dirty my grease, okay? So I'm just doing them like this. Beautiful shrimp heads, y'all. They should all fit in here fine. Yeah, we did just enough right there for this little fry basket, all right? I'm gonna check the temp on my oil. I'll be right back to you before we throw them in. All right, use my ThermoWorks here, just my thermal pen. I just want to make dang sure that oil is at least 350 degrees, and that's what it's reading. I always go back to reverse these ThermoWorks products, just the best there is. I always put links to those as well, so you know how that is. Let's go ahead and just put these bad boys down in the oil. And let them begin to fry. There we go. Get a little oil cover and bring that in for, well, we're outside, not too worried about it. Let them go a couple minutes, then we'll check them. Isn't that nice? All right, y'all, so they've been frying for about 2 minutes. You know, that's about all they needed. Don't take long at all. We'll check them. We'll fry just about a minute or so more. But, you know, they're all floating, all looking good. Let's say about 2.5 minutes or so, and whatever you think. But beautiful looking shrimp heads there. Or my shrimp spiders, whatever you want to call them. And I'm gonna get the little platter to put them on here. Put that up here on the. Oh yes. So we'll use that again. But that's good right there. Go ahead and just kind of put them up here. Look, let me show you where this platter is right here. And we're gonna just kick them off on there. You don't want a paper towel. You want just a screen, just like that, to dry these things on. That's what you want. There we go. Kind of let them just go right, just like that. Look at that. It's beautiful. Piping hot shrimp spiders right there. Oh yeah, just let them sit there just for a minute. We'll get into them. Definitely want to season them right as you take them out of the oil. with your favorite seafood seasoning or something. I'm using this Heaven Made Products seafood seasoning. Great stuff he's got out. Let's go ahead and just season them up just like that. We'll take them inside to serve. Y'all, so let's try these bad boys. I'm telling you what. Now, I'll be honest with you, I've tried one. I know how they are. Zoom y'all in here a little bit so you can see. All right, I got a couple different sauces here I'm trying with. I've got a traditional like comeback sauce. That's this one right here. And then I've got this wonderful, this watermelon. Y'all seen me talk about this before. This is watermelon, sweet and tangy watermelon, limited edition stuff from Delta Ridge. Anyway, to get all that out of the way, I just want y'all to talk about these delicacies right here. Beautiful little bits of goodness. Let's go ahead and try one plain. We're doing sauce, okay? Back y'all out just a little bit. All right. Oh my goodness, y'all. They're so fresh, so clean. I can't believe everybody hasn't been doing this. If you like soft shell crab, you like shrimp, stuff like that, and this is not real crunchy. Like, I've had the whole trip heads on like buffets and stuff like Chinese restaurant where they fry the whole thing with that hood on there and all the stuff. No, this is nothing chewy like that. I mean, this is just wonderful little bits. It's like, and the shells are just, there's no shell. I mean, it's just that those little legs, and they're just crispy rispies. I'll tell you what, if you fishermen out there, I would very much say it's kind of like, you know, the tail fin on the brim. When you deep fry the brim, that little crispy, that's what those are. Just that beautiful taste. Let's try out some of the sauce. At first, I know fried shrimp are good with this watermelon sauce. We'll try the shrimp head there. Man, sausage has that wonderful zip to it, y'all. Amazing. You have to try it. I can't explain this watermelon sauce, except that it's kind of like a vinaigrette, maybe. All right. Yeah. Try the comeback dressing. I have a recipe for comeback, by the way. Just search my channel, comeback sauce, comeback recipe. I tell you what, the sauce is good, but honestly, a sweet, crunchy creaminess too, richness of these shrimp heads by themselves. Good enough for me. Tell you what, you gotta try it. Yes sir, yes sir. Shrimp head, shrimp spiders, whatever you want to call them. Absolutely amazing. Here's a new food to try. A Southern Coastal Secret, y'all. Amazing. Thanks again, y'all. Please like my videos, sub my channel. God bless, and y'all please share it. I'll put some links in the description box, like where you could get this that Battle Pro, I guess, and I got some t-shirts out too now. Thank y'all so much. Again, God bless. Y'all have a good one. Y'all apologize. I just gotta react one more time. How amazing this recipe was. I just cannot believe it. Make sure you get fresh shrimp. I don't get them frozen, nothing like that. Fresh off the boat shrimp, you can get them. Try this. Let me know what you think. I'll tell you what, it's just amazing.